Aloha! Welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy, and this is Mookie. On second thought, that wasn't Mookie at all. It was an iguana. Anyways, we got an excellent show coming up. We got Appies with Chappy by the lake, and I'm going to make a Demerara Float. So stay tuned for that.
Come on now, Mookie, ain't nothing but a hound dog. This is Appies with Chappy by the lake. We're going to have appetizers and a cool, refreshing drink. Come on now, Mookie, don't be cruel. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Aloha! Welcome to Appies with Chappy by the lake. So today I'm going to do a Demerara Float. I'm getting this from my Smuggler's Cove book. This is like the Bible of Tiki. The origin is Don the Beachcomber. And the source is Beach Bum Berries Intoxica, adapted by Smuggler's Cove. And so it calls for 3/4 ounce of black blended overproof rum. And it says, pour the overproof rum into a separate old-fashioned or shot glass and set aside. Okay. Oh, and I almost forgot, this is Appies with Chappy by the lake. So today I just have some Vietnamese spring rolls I picked up at the local Vietnamese restaurant. And so we're going to do a Demerara dry float. So I got my black blended overproof rum I'm going to set aside. I'm going to wazz this up in the blender. So I got my, this is a Ninja. I kind of like my Ninja, but this is like, it's got to be like at least 10 or 15 years old. So the Ninja has seen better days. Okay, so we got 2 ounces of fresh lime juice. And it says a teaspoon of fresh lemon. I'm not going to measure a teaspoon. I just got like a 1/4 of a fresh lemon there. And 1 1/2 ounces of passion fruit syrup. Uh, 1/4 ounce of Demerara syrup. And 1/4 ounce of Luxardo maraschino liqueur. So that's just a 1/4 ounce. And then 1 1/2 ounces of blended aged rum. I just have some Captain Morgan spiced rum today. Okay, and I still got my black blended overproof rum on the side. Gonna add a little ice. Okay, so again it says pour the overproof rum in a separate old-fashioned or shot glass set aside. Add the remaining ingredients and fill with 12 ounces of crushed ice. I'm just going to blend it all up. It does say flash blend. Okay, so I'm going to blend it up. I'm going to put it in my Tiki mug. And then it says serve with the side of overproof rum. And then in brackets it says the side of danger with an exclamation point. And then it says, encourage guests to pour as much or as little of the overproof rum into their drink as they like and experience how the drink flavor changes. All right, so we'll get this blended up. I'm going to put it in my Tiki mug, and I'm probably just going to dump the whole thing as a floater. But actually, it might be interesting to see how the drink changes flavor with the different levels of the black overproof rum. So I'll probably do that. And I got my spring rolls, and that's Appies with Chappy by the lake. Thanks for watching another edition of Chappy's Tiki Bar. Make sure to hit that notification bell. We get a new episode every Friday. This is Chappy saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.